Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign in or log into your Facebook account. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to facebook.com. After you go to facebook.com, you can see two types of ways how you can log in. So you can see the recent logins over here. If these are some of your accounts, just go ahead and tap on it and write down the password to your account. So after you write down the password to your account, make sure it is correct. Click on remember password, and if it is correct, you can easily sign into your account. Or else, if the password is not correct and you want to sign in using another account, just go back to Facebook. After you go to Facebook, you can now sign into your account. All you need to do is write down your email address, Google account, or anything over here in this box, and then write down the password on the second box. Go ahead and click on login, and then you can easily log into your account. If you want to add another account over here, just go ahead and click on add account, write down your email address, your phone number, or else you can just go ahead and log in using the Gmail address option. So go ahead and click on it, and if you have forgotten your password or something, just go ahead and click on Google, and this way you can reset your password quite easily. I hope this video about how you can sign into your Facebook account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.